Okay. So let us do some more problems in multiple and submultiple angles. Okay, right. What was the last problem? Somebody please tell me. Please read the last problem, yesterday's last problem. Students? Correct. Find tan theta finally. Tan theta by 2. Answer was? Okay, right. So that is the 7th problem. Now 8th problem onwards we have to do. So 8th one. Okay. I asked you to keep the textbooks also by your side. Page number 267. Okay. So 8th problem is prove that number 1 tan A plus cot A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosecant 2A. Tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosecant 2A. Number 2, cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cot 2A. Now, who is going to help me in solving this problem? Newcomers are welcome. Number 1, tan A plus cot A. Newcomers are welcome. If anybody comes forward, I will welcome him. Any new student. Or otherwise I will call the old students only who are actively participating. Anybody? Newcomer? Okay. Come on, Sai Vardhan.
Yes, sir.
So please help me in solving this problem.
Yes, sir.
So first bit tan A plus cot A will start at the left hand side. Tan A is equal to sin A by what?
Cos A, sir.
Similarly, cot A is equal to?
Cos A by sin A, sir.
So if you write like that and take LCM, then it will be over. Right. What is the LCM?
Sin A into cos A, sir.
What is the numerator now?
1, sir.
No. Before that you have to tell me.
Square A plus cos square A, sir.
See, everybody should understand. You please tell all the steps.
Yes.
What? Come on.
Sin square A plus cos square A, sir.
Yes. Here sin square A, and in the second term you will get cos square A in the numerator. So, but sin square A plus cos square A is equal to what?
1, sir.
So I will multiply and divide by 2. So here numerator I multiply by 2, denominator also I will multiply by 2. 2 by what?
2 by 2 sin A cos A, sir.
That means 2 sin A cos A is the formula for? Sin 2a. So 2 by sin 2a is equal to what? 1 by sin 2a is equal to?
Cos 2a, cosecant 2a, sir.
So what is the answer now?
2 cosecant 2a, sir.
So we have started at the left hand side here, tan a plus cot a, and we have arrived at right hand side. So it is over. Now similarly, please help me in solving the second bit. Cot a minus tan a. Cot a, cos a by what?
Sir?
Next what? Tell me. Minus what?
Sin a by cos a, sir.
What is the LCM?
Sin a into cos a, sir.
What is the numerator? First term.
Cos square a, sir.
Second term.
Minus sin square a, sir.
So cos square a minus sin square a will put in bracket. Sin a, cos a in the denominator are there, so we'll multiply and divide by 2. So 2 into cos square a minus sin square a is one of the 4 formulas for what?
Cos 2a, sir.
So cos square a minus sin square a in the bracket, whatever it is one of the 4 formulas of cos 2a. So it is 2 cos 2a numerator. Denominator including 2 sin a cos a is equal to what?
Sin 2a, sir.
So 2 into cos 2a by sin 2a.
Cot a, sir.
Wrong.
Cot 2a, sir.
Cot a you said. Cot a you said, that is why I said wrong. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Cot
Cot 2a, sir.
2a. Be careful. So cot 2a, not cot a. Cot a. Cot 2a. So that's all. That is the right hand side. Second bit we have started. Left hand side, right hand side we have arrived at. So let us go to the next page and do the next problem. Somebody will help or otherwise I will do it. Ninth one. Ninth one is very, very important. Please note down. Very, very important. Prove that tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. 8 cot 8 theta, sorry, I have written 2 theta. It is wrong, 8 theta. 8 cot 8 theta is equal to cot theta. Say, students, please, this is an important problem. Please look at this problem. So, what can you say about the angles, or left hand side? Any comment on the angles? Theta, 2 theta, 4 theta, 8 theta. They are in geometric progression. That is the correct observation. Multiples of 2. So theta into 2, 2 theta. 2 theta into 2, next angle, 4 theta. 4 theta into 2, 8 theta. That means they are in geometric progression. Suppose 2, next one 6. Geometric progression, next one, what is the number? Kunal? 2, 6, etc. are in geometric progression. After 2, 6, what is the next number? 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 into 3, 54. 54 into 3, whatever it is. 54 into 3 into 3. This is geometric progression. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3. 8 into 3. 54 into 3. 54 into 3 into 3. Understood? Now come on, Kunal. Kunal?
Yes, sir.
Come on, tell me. 2. Next 8. What is the next number? Geometric progression.
36. 32, sir.
Next number.
38, sir.
Correct. Right, Kunal. 5. 10. Geometric progression. Next number.
20, sir.
Huh?
20, sir.
Next number. Next number.
30, sir.
Next number.
80.
So this is geometric progression. Are they in geometric progression or not? Come on, angles. Theta into 2 theta into 2 4 theta into 2 8 theta. So that is the correct comment. Not multiples of 2. Okay. Multiples of 2 is not the correct comment. So okay, they are in geometric progression. And one more observation is, what is one more observation on the left hand side? First two terms, see, all tan. No, tan. But last one cot. So 2 theta 2, 4 theta 4, 8 theta 8. So answer is cot theta. So I'll explain here. Just 1 minute. Right. Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta. Sorry. 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 tan 8 theta. Okay, not cot theta. 8 tan 8 theta. Next 16 cot 16 theta is also cot theta. Right, tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta, 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 tan 8 theta plus 16 tan 16 theta plus 32 tan 32 theta plus 64 cot 64 theta is also cot theta. So that way you can increase the number of terms on the left hand side. First all terms tan, last term cot. Answer will be always cot theta. You can reduce also. You can reduce the terms. How? Come on, anybody? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, 5 terms are there. 4 terms, somebody tell me.
Sir, tan theta.
Who is that?
Sir, Shilpita.
Shilpita, correct. Here 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shilpita wants to tell in 4 terms. Come on. Tan theta.
Theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta.
8 cot.
8 theta
Complete it.
is equals to cot theta.
Correct. You are perfectly right. Perfectly right. Tanmay, can you tell in 2, 3 terms? Tanmay. Madhuri.
Yes, sir.
Madhuri, please tell me in 3 terms.
Sir, tan theta
Right.
plus 2 tan 2 theta
Very good.
plus 4 cot 4 theta equals to cot theta.
Correct. Tanmay, can you tell it in 2 terms?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Tan theta
Correct.
plus 2 cot 2 theta
2 cot 2 theta. Come on, complete it.
is equal
is equal to cot theta, then only it will complete it. Okay, is equal to cot theta. This is right. So this is the minimum length. Minimum length is this one. Have two terms on the left hand side. You can increase up to 100 terms, 1000 terms, 1 lakh terms, 1 crore terms. Answer will be right hand side will be always cot theta. Okay, so that is the magic of this. So that is why this is important, right? So what we do is, first we prove the simple one. Okay, this one. And then onwards we will go. Right. So I will remove this and I want to prove it. I will prove it. Nobody needs to help me. Just I will prove it. So to prove this, we are using the previous problem only. Let us go back and see. So this one we are using, second bit. Okay. What is the second bit? Come on, Sai Vardhan, read it. Sai Vardhan, please read it. Second bit, please read. Cot theta minus tan theta is equal to? Right. Go forward. So, first we prove it. First we prove that cot theta minus tan theta is equal to 2 cot 2 theta. Of course, this already we have proved it. Okay, you can again prove it if you want. First we prove that cot theta, so cot theta minus tan theta. Let us prove it in a different way. Previously we have written cot theta as cos by sine, tan as sine by cos, but now I will write 1 by tan minus tan. LCM if you take, you will get 1 minus tan square theta by tan theta. So I will multiply by 2 in the denominator. I will put the bracket for the numerator, and the numerator also I will multiply by 2. So, but we know that in the bracket, say rough work, we know that what is the formula for tan 2 theta? Tan 2 theta, what is the formula, Sai Vardhan?
Sir, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta.
Therefore, cot 2 theta, that is 1 by tan 2 theta will be equal to what right hand side? 1 minus tan square theta by?
2 tan theta.
We have taken reciprocal both sides. That is called invertendo. Invertendo. 1 by tan 2 theta becomes. So here we have this one. 1 minus tan square theta by 2 tan theta. That is nothing but cot 2 theta. And apart from that, 2 is also there. So 2 cot 2 theta. So once again I have proved this, but in a different way. Okay. Now from this, I will write it again. Cot theta minus tan theta is equal to 2 cot 2 theta. Okay. So from this, what is tan theta? Tell me. Tanmay, please tell. Tanmay, tan theta. Tan theta. Equal to what?
So tan theta is equal to cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta.
2 cot 2 theta. See here in the, now all the students please see here. Tan theta is here. So in place of that we can write cot theta. Now here tan 2 theta is there. So Tanmay, please tell what is tan 2 theta? In place of theta, just put 2 theta, that's all. Left hand side and right.
Sir, is equal to cot 2 theta minus 2 cot 4 theta.
So that we can put here in place of this. What about tan 4 theta? Tell me.
Sir, tan 4 theta is equal to cot 4 theta minus 2 into cot 8 theta.
Right. Now these values you put there. Okay. So let us start at left hand side. Left hand side means here. We are starting here. So tan theta, we'll write tan theta only. Okay. Sorry. Tan theta will write what? Come on. First formula. Here. That will write. In place of this tan theta, left hand side, we write cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. Plus 2 into this 2. Plus this 2 into tan 2 theta is what? Tell me. In
Cot 2 theta minus 2 into cot 4 theta.
cot 2 theta minus 2 into cot 4 theta. Okay. This I have written. Tan 2 theta formula from here I have written. Next plus this 4 into what is tan 4 theta formula, this formula. Cot 4 theta into what 4 theta minus 2 cot. Come on, tell. Okay. Cot 4 theta minus 2 cot 8 theta. Right. We have written this 4 and this also we have written. Next, just simply write 8 cot 8 theta outside. 8 cot 8 theta. That's all. Now you see, if you expand this minus 2 cot theta and plus 2 cot theta, they get cancelled out. Next, 2 into 2 minus 4 cot 4 theta plus 4 cot 4 theta, they will cancel out. Next to this 4 into minus 2 tan 2 theta, that is minus 8 cot 2 theta into plus 8 cot 2 theta, they will cancel out. Only in the first term, whatever it is, cot theta is there, that will remain. That's all. That is equal to right hand side. Okay. Everybody understood the proof?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this is very important problem. Let us go forward and do the next problem, number 10. Okay. Number 10. Number 10 is actually not a problem, it is a formula. Formula. Sin A, sin 60 minus A, sin 60 plus A. Sin A, sin 60 minus A, sin 60 plus A is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. This is first one. Second one, cos A, cos 60 minus A, cos 60 plus A is 1 by 4 cos 3A. Now, next formula, can anybody tell? Please come forward and tell. I'll write the left hand side, you have to tell the right hand side. Tan A, tan 60 minus A, tan 60 plus A. Is it 1 by 4 tan 3A or just tan 3A? Anybody? Who is that? First one, who is that boy? Prabhas says tan 3A. Next, any girl? Tan? Not 1 by 4 tan 3A. Okay, 1 by 4 gets cancelled if you divide. So it is just tan 3A. Now the fourth one, cot A. Cot 60 minus A. Cot 60 plus A is cot 3A. Not 1 by 4. So if you prove first and second, then third and fourth are very easy. Just dividing 1 by 2, you will get third one. Dividing 2 by 1, you will get fourth one. Okay. So we have to prove only first and second. So let us start. Before starting, can anybody give me the formula for sin 3A and cos 3A? Because here we got sin 3A, cos 3A are there in this formula. Sin 3A, what is the formula? Who is going to give? First you tell the name. Your name. Shreyas, tell me, what is your? Shreyas, welcome. Shreyas, you have taken the initiative, welcome. So, tell me the formula.
3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A.
Very good. 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Do you know the formula for cos 3A also?
Yes, sir.
Please tell the formula for cos 3A also.
4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A.
Very good. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Okay. Let us keep these formulas ready. So now, first one I want to prove. First one in a black color I want to prove. Okay. Left hand side. Sin A, sin 60 minus A, sin 60 plus A. Sorry. Sin 60 plus A. Shreyas, do you remember the formula for sin A plus B into sin A minus B? Shreyas, I am asking Shreyas only.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula? Sin,
Square A minus sin square B.
that is first formula. Sin square A minus?
Sin square B, sir.
Any other formula?
And cos square B minus cos square A.
Cos square B minus cos square A. Correct, very good. These are the correct formulas. So that formula will apply here. Sin A for this. Sin A plus B, sin 60 plus A, sin A plus B, that is. Sin 60 minus A, sin A minus B. So sin square A, come on, tell me, using that what do you get? Sin square what? Come on, Shreyas. Shreyas?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell or not? If you cannot tell, tell me. I cannot tell, sir. So I will ask somebody else. Sin 60 plus A into sin 60 minus A. Sin square what?
Sin square 60 minus sin square A.
Very good. Right. So sin A into, what is sin 60 degrees? So sin square 60? So 3 by 4 minus sin square A. So we'll go forward. Right. Outside sin A. Inside 3 by 4 minus sin square, will take LCM. 3 minus 4 sine square A whole by 4. Okay, 3 minus 4 sine. Now this sine A goes inside the bracket. So it goes inside the bracket. Now it is 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A by whole divided by 4. That is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into, inside it is the formula for what? Sine 3a. Here you can see it is the formula for sine 3a. So 1 by 4 sine 3a. So that is the right hand side. So in the first formula we have started at the left hand side, right hand side 1 by 4 sine 3a. Similarly, we can show that second formula also. Let us go forward. Second formula, left hand side. Come on, Shilpita. Shilpita, are you there? Shilpita. Madhuri?
Yes, sir.
Madhuri, please tell the second one, cos A.
Cos A
Cos 60 minus A. Wait. Cos 60 minus A. Cos
60 plus A, sir.
is equal to. That is the left hand side. We have to prove it. Now tell me, what is the formula for cos A plus B into cos A minus B? Do you know or not? Do you remember? Do you remember the formula?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Cos square A minus sin square B.
Cos square A minus.
Sin square B.
Okay. Or other formula, second formula?
Cos square B minus sin square A.
Very good. Very good. Right. So using that formula, this one tell me. First one cos A, I'll write it like that. Now cos A plus B. Cos 60 plus A is cos A plus B. Cos 60 minus A is cos A minus B. Come on, any formula you can tell me.
Cos square 60 degrees
Very good.
minus sin square A.
Okay. But here outside is what? Cos. Okay. Inside also if you get cos, that is good. So we'll use the second formula. Okay. Come on, using the second formula, what do you get? 60 and A will just interchange. Okay. Understood, Madhuri?
Yes, sir.
Outside cos A is there. So inside also I want cos A, not sin A. So therefore let us change our strategy. Let us change our strategy and use the second formula and tell me. Second formula, this one.
Cos square A
Cos square A.
minus sin square 60 degrees.
Very good. So we are using the second formula, this one. Okay. So cos A, cos square A. What is sin square 60, Madhuri?
3 by 4, sir.
Right. So cos A, if you take LCM, you will get in the bracket 4 cos square A minus 3 whole by 4. Now this cos A goes inside this bracket. Come on, what happens? 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This in bracket by 4 is there, we can put write it as 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4. Wait. 1 by 4, and in the bracket it is the formula for what?
Cos 3A.
Cos 3A. So 1 by 4 cos 3A, that is the right hand side. Okay. So first and second we have proved. Then 1 by 2, first formula divided by second formula will give you third formula. Second formula divided by first formula will give you the fourth formula. Okay, that is easy. Okay, let us go forward. Now in the 10th problem only, some bits are there. Okay, sine 20, prove that. Sine 20 degrees, sine 40 degrees, sine 60 degrees, sine 80 degrees is equal to 3 by 16. Prabhas, can you hear me? Sai Vardhan?
Yes, sir.
So left hand side is the product of how many factors?
What's that?
Left hand side is the product of how many factors?
4, sir.
4. Out of that, you know the value of only one factor. What is that factor?
Sine 60, sir.
Sine 60 degrees is the you know its value. Sine remaining factors values you don't know. What is sine 20? What is sine 40? Sine 80? You don't know. So can you find its value using the just now derived formulas? So we have just derived a formula, sin A, sorry, we'll start at left hand side. To prove this, we'll start at left hand side. The known value sin to 60 degrees we'll write in the beginning. Then sin 20, that is sin A. Sin 60, 40 can be written as what? Sin 20. Sin 40 can be written as
60 minus 20, sir.
60 minus 20. How do you write sin 80?
60 plus 20, sir.
That's all. Okay, this known value I have written in the beginning. Next to sin 20, sin 40, sin 60 minus 20, sin 86. Now it is here clearly. Sin A, sin 60 minus A. Okay, sin A, sin 60 minus A, sin 60 plus A. Exactly in that form. So this is equal to what? Sin 60 into, come on, sin A is,
Into 1 by 4 sine 60, sir.
1 by 4 sin 3A. 3A means A is 20 here. So 3 into 20. Okay. So this formula is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. 1 by 4 sin 3A. A means 20 here. So 1 by 4 sin 60, sin 60. Sin square 60. 1 by 4. What is sin square 60? 3 by 4. So what is the final value?
3 by 16, sir.
3 by 16. Okay. Okay. Now let us go forward and 10th question only another bit is there. What is that? Please wait. Cos pi by 9, cos 2 pi by 9, cos 3 pi by 9, cos 4 pi by 9. Kunal, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Now the angles are in which progression? AP, GP or HP? Angles. AP, correct. Pi by 9, 2 pi by 9, 3 pi by 9, 4 pi by 9. They are not in GP, they are in AP. So prove that. Prove that. The problem is to prove that cos pi by 9, cos 2 pi by 9, cos 3 pi cos is equal to 1 by 16. Okay, he has given the angles in radians. We know that pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Pi by 2 radians means 90 degrees. Okay. Now what is pi by 9 radians? Come on, tell me. Kunal. 20 degrees. So let us write in terms of degrees, then you will understand better. We have to prove that cos 20, 2 pi by 9 means cos 40. Pi by 9 is 20, ra babu. 2 pi by 9, 3 pi by 9.
I said cos 3 pi by 9 is 120, sir.
One,
60, sir, 60.
120 I am telling wrong, it is 60 only. Next 4 pi by 9.
80, sir. 80, sir, 80.
This is what we have to prove. Okay, then it is very easy to prove. Because in degrees we can understand it better. Okay. The board is behaving like a bad boy. Okay. Now out of these 4 factors we know the value of cos 60. Okay. So left hand side we start it, and first we write cos 60, then we write cos 20. Come on, Kunal, how do you write cos 40? Come on. Cos 40, how do you write it? 60 sin 60, sin cos 60 minus 20. Cos 80, how do you write it?
Cos 60 plus 20, sir.
Previous problem you have seen and you are saying 90 minus something. Okay, previous problem we have discussed, you are seeing, you are following. You are not followed, you are sleeping. Cos 60, cos 20, cos 60 minus 20, 40 is cos 60 minus 20, cos 60 plus 20. So here the formula is there. Cos A, cos 60 minus A, cos 60 plus A. Come on, tell me what is it equal to, Kunal? Cos A, cos 60 minus A, cos 60 plus A. Come on. Kunal.
Yes, sir.
Cos A, cos 60 minus A, cos 60 plus A equal to what?
Sir, cos A minus B, cos A plus B.
1 by 4 cos 3A. Waste fellow. You are a waste fellow. 1 by 4 cos 3A. Just now we have seen the formula and telling some other thing. Okay. Come on, leave it. Now, cos 60. Come on, Tanmayi. What is this value in the bracket? Tanmayi. Cos 20, cos 60 minus 20, cos 60 plus 20. What is it equal to? 1 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Sir, it is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3a, sir. That is
Cos 3 into what?
20.
Cos 3 into 20. According to this formula. 1 by 4 into cos 3a. 3a means 3 into 20. So 3 into 20 is 60. So 1 by 4 cos 60, cos 60. Cos square 60.
60, sir.
1 by 4, what is cos square 60? Tanmay? Madhuri? Madhuri, please tell, please wait. Madhuri, please tell cos square 60.
1 by 4, sir.
Right, it is 1 by 16, which is equal to right hand side. This one, okay. So let us go to the next problem. 10th one is over, now 11th one. 11th one, find the value of 11th one, also very important. Find the value of tan 6 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 66 degrees. This is a very, very good problem. Tan 6 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 66 degrees, tan 78 degrees. The product, this product we want its value. So it is the product of 4 factors. We don't know the value of any factor. Tan 6 degrees we don't know, tan 42 also we don't know, tan 66 we don't know, tan 78 also we don't know. But we will solve it by using the formula just now we have derived. Come on, Prabhas, what is the formula for tan A? Prabhas, are you there? Sai Vardhan, are you there? You are not responding. Why? Tan A, tan 60 minus A, tan 60 plus A. What is it equal to? Tell me. So, using this formula, can you solve the above problem? That is the question. So, tan 6. Let us call it a given product. Given product is equal to, it is the product of 4 factors. So, given product is equal to, come on, tan 6 degrees, tan 60 plus 6 degrees is there. Tan 6 degrees, see I am rounding it off. Tan 60 plus degrees, 6 degrees is also there. But tan 60 minus 6 degrees is not there. So, I will write extra. Tan 60 minus 6 degrees is not there actually. So, I will write it. And that is extra factor. So, I will cancel it out also by dividing it. Dividing by the same factor. Tan 60 minus 6. It is not there actually. Tan 60 minus 6 is equal to how much? Prabhas? 60 minus 6 is equal to how much? Sai Vardhan, please reply. Sai Vardhan. 54. Tan 54. That means I have multiplied and divided by tan 54 because it is not there. I am adjusting. Next remaining, this one remaining tan 42 is there, tan 78 is there. I recognize that 60 minus 18, the 42, 60 plus 18 is, so actual 18 is not there. So, I will multiply by tan 18. Tan 18 is not there, so I will divide by tan 18 also. Next, tan 42 can be written as 60 minus 18 into tan 78 can be written as 60 plus 18. Okay. So, just 1 minute. 1 minute. So this factor and this factor I have written extra in the numerator. That is why in the denominator also I have written them and cancelled them. Tan 60 minus 6 is tan 54. Here I have written tan 54. They will cancel out. Tan 18 they will cancel out. Remaining 4 factors, whatever factors he has given. Tan 66 is written as tan 60 plus 6. Okay. Next, tan 42 is written as tan 60 minus 18 here. And tan 78 is written as 60. Now come on, tell me, Sai Vardhan,
Yes, sir.
numerator, first 3 factors. What are they? Come on, read.
1 6 into tan 60 plus 6 degrees into tan 60 minus 6 degrees, sir.
Is equal to what?
Tan 18, tan 3 into 6 degrees, sir.
Correct. Tan 3 into 6 degrees. Tan 3a. First 3 factors. Now, last 3 factors, what is the product? Come on, read the last 3. No. Read the last 3 factors, product.
Tan 18 degrees into tan 60 minus 18 degrees into tan 60 plus 18 degrees.
Is equal to what?
Tan 3 into 18 degrees.
Tan 3 into 18 degrees. Divided by tan 54 degrees. Final answer is what? Tell me.
1, sir.
1, correct. Final answer is 1. Because tan 54, they will cancel out like this. Tan 18, you have to cancel it in another way. One cancellation like this, one cancellation like that. Okay. So anyhow they will cancel out and the answer is 1. So is it not a good problem?
Yes, sir.
This is a very good problem. Okay. Just wait. Very good. So remaining problems we will do tomorrow. Okay. So let us take the break and join after again 15 minutes. Okay. For the geometry class. Right. Right. Stop share. Stop share. Thank you. Stop share and meeting for all.